Hello everybody, we're in the listening room and we're going to do a demonstration today with a budget turntable. This is the Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK. The BT is for Bluetooth. This turntable is $219 on Amazon. I'll post a link in the video description. You can also get the same model without the Bluetooth for $150, and I'll post the link to that as well in the video description. I'll also post the specs of my system here in the video description. And if you're listening, use headphones or some good earbuds, and then you get a real good feel for the listening room acoustics. So we're gonna play Money off the Pink Floyd Dark Side of the Moon as our demonstration. What's nice is that this is an automatic turntable, so you don't have to get up when you reach the end of the record either. Sounds pretty good. I was impressed. So again, we'll take a look at it. The Audio-Technica AT-LP60X-BK for Bluetooth. You can get the non-Bluetooth for $150. They also have a version of this turntable with speakers for $279. So you got a set of speakers to go with it. Yeah. So let me know your thoughts and how you listen to it, and maybe we'll come back and we'll play a track off another album, another classic rock album. Thanks everybody. Hit the like button, subscribe for future videos from the listening room.